1 plus square root of 5 over 2 to the power of 12 is equal to what? Solution. 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 to the power of 12. And from here, let 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 is equal to x. Then 1 plus square root of 5 will be equal to 2 multiplied by x. Now 1 plus square root of 5 will be equal to 2x. From here, root of 5 will be equal to 2x minus 1. Then let's rearrange. 2x minus 1 is equal to root of 5. Now let's square both sides of this equation. 2x minus 1 all square is equal to square root of 5 all square. 2x minus 1 square is 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to this. We cancel this, 5. Then this is 4x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. 4x square minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Let's divide all through by 4. Divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. This divided by 4. This will cancel this cancel this, and this cancel this. S square minus s minus 1 is equal to 0. Now from here, s square is equal to s plus 1. Let's call this equation star. But we know that s raised to power 12 can be written as s square to the power of 6. That is from this exponential rule that if you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power n m. Then we know that s square is s plus 1. Let's substitute. This is equal to s plus 1 to the power of 6. Also, s plus 1 to the power of 6 can be written as s plus 1 square all raised to power 3 from this same rule. And this is equal to s plus 1 square is s square plus 2s plus 1 to the power of 3. We know that s square is s plus 1. This is equal to s plus 1 plus 2s plus 1 to the power of 3. Now, s plus 2s, this is equal to 3s plus 1, that is 2, to the power of 3. Then 3x plus 2 to the power of 3 can be written as 3s plus 2 square multiplied by 3 3s plus 2. Then 3x plus 2 all square can be written as 9x squared plus 12x plus 4 multiplied by 3x plus 2. Now let's see. X squared is s plus 1. This is 9 bracket s plus 1 plus 12s plus 4 multiplied by 3s plus 2. Then this is 9x plus 9 plus 12s plus 4 multiplied by 3s plus 2. And let's see, 9s plus 12s, this is 21x plus 9 plus 4, 13, multiplied by 3x plus 2. Now let's multiply our 21x multiplied by 3x. This is 63x squared plus 21x multiplied by 2. That is 42x plus 13 multiplied by 3s. It is 39x plus 30 times 2, 26. And here we have 63 bracket s plus 1 plus 42s plus 39x plus 26. Now let's open the bracket. 63s plus 63 plus 42s plus 39s plus 26. Let's see, 63x plus 42s plus 39s. So this is 144x plus 63 plus 26, that is 89. Now recall that one plus root 5 over 2 is equal to x. Let's substitute for s here. 144 bracket 1 plus root 5 over 2 plus 89. 2 here 1, 2 here 72. 72 bracket 1 plus root 5 plus 89. Now let's open the bracket. 72 plus 72 root 5 plus 89. Then 72 plus 89, this is equal to 161 plus 72 root 5. Therefore, 1 plus root 5 over 2 to the power of 12 is equal to 161 plus 72 root 5. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching.